How to draw and make hair right and wrong for beginners. You can do it easily. First, you can draw it. Combine and draw a K bangs and curly hair. This kind of drawing is very messy and broken. Hair will look messy. The effect of drawing is a little bit. Sense of appearance, sense of age, here comes the song. So when we need the changes, first of all, the head into 4 areas to draw. The first part bangs, true side jumbles, business work, hair showing through the back of the full part. Let's take the 4 areas just mentioned. Gently frame the outline with a pencil. Pay attention at this time. Don't be too skinny. You can draw it. Expand at least a circle, instead of sticking to the scalp like above. This is very rigid and ugly. What about the second part? Just try to avoid straight lines and sharp turns. You can think of the head as a spear. We're going to draw the part closest to you first. That's the forehead. Bangs and sideburns on both sides. Next, draw the overall outline. Finally, draw the back of the head. You can draw it. The front part is more delicate and detailed. A friend can do it. In this way, the sense of space can be stretched when painting him. There is a little trick. Remember, that's after all the painting is done. You can thicken the outline. Make the whole line more obvious. By the way, the main turning point is also bolder. You can draw it. There are no students who are very messy. Must learn this trick. Can you draw that? Finally, let's lightly draw a small circle around the top of the head. Curve as highlights and hair is done. Oops, a growing company. Let's practice.
Thanks you watching.